I bring you tales from the full moon. Memories of ancient Surugebe. Maps of Uli. Sounds of our history. Mourning from the intercourse of Ekwe and Ogini, heralded by Oja, the flutes of Amanihe. Listen to tales from the sanctuary of incorruptible elders. Proverbs bettered under the full moon, for I speak in the language of the gods. If I ask strength, do not be dressed in stone, for in the wind of my history I sway. I too wonder, is it the sorcerer's spell or is it the spasm of my grandma's yearning? I am spellbound, the flame has held me hostage. I fear I may never be freed. Igbo girl. What I wear is apache, and this is what the lady wants me to wear. This is a fabric made from tree bark. So in pre-colonial times, unlike what you hear that we're all naked, we're not all not naked. We had things we were making. And this fabric was made from the tree bark. And the marks you see on my face, and the designs and all that, is called the uli design. Uli is an Asian design that we use to decorate architecture, body, fabrics, and whatever. This was the design we also used to send some coded messages in pre-colonial times. So what I have on my body mean things. They are communicating things. But I know if I say it now, some people will run away. This is actually AK. AK is Python. And Python represents the sense of place and spirituality in Igbo tradition. So that is what I have on my body. It does not mean witches and wizards. It means respect and sanctity for a place. And that is why in pre-colonial times, you can leave your door open, go and come back and nothing will happen. But today, even with the door gates, they will still break it. You see?